Mr. President, the FDA is reportedly considering stricter guidelines for the emergency authorization of a COVID vaccine. Are you okay with that?
Well, I tell you what, we're looking at that. That has to be approved by the White House. We may or may not approve it. That sounds like a political move, because when you have Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, Moderna, these great companies coming up with the vaccines, and they've done testing and everything else, I'm saying, why would they have to be, adding great length to the process? We want to have people not get sick. The vaccine is very important. It's the final step. I believe it's going to be the final step. And no, we're looking at that, but I think that was a political move more than anything else.
Follow up on that, sir. It's designed to improve trust in the vaccine. Do you think that's not needed?
Well, I have tremendous trust in these massive companies that are so brilliantly organized in terms of what they've been doing with the tests. I mean, I don't know that a government as big as we are could do tests like this. We've made it possible for them to do the tests in rapid fashion. But when they come back and they say that we have something that works and absolutely works, and they're coming back with great numbers and statistics and tests and everything else that they have to come back with, I don't see any reason why it should be delayed further, because if they delay it a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, that's a lot of lives you're talking about. Scott, would you agree with that, or how do you feel about that? Please, go ahead.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I mean, there is no, I think that people don't understand what's going on with Operation Warp Speed. It's unprecedented what's happened here. A typical vaccine takes roughly 4 years or so. And now we're going to have a vaccine highly likely in far less than 1 year, but without cutting any safety corners, because the president has done things concomitant to the development of the vaccine. That is, the manufacturing, the logistics, everything is being done at the same time, and that's never been done before. But there is zero cutting of safety concerns. There should be no hesitation about the safety. You shouldn't be punished by doing something faster than other people could have done or thought. It's the opposite. We have a pandemic. The urgency is the pandemic, not politics.
Are you
It sounded extremely political. Why would they do this when we come back with these great results? And I think you will have those great results. Why would we be delaying it? But we're going to look at it. We're going to take a look at it, and ultimately the White House has to approve it. And maybe we will and maybe we won't, but we'll be taking a look. I have to leave for an emergency phone call. I'm going to let Scott and Larry finish that. Larry's going to